Hello and welcome back, food lovers. Today we're making individual egg custard tarts. These were originally brought over to Hong Kong by Portuguese settlers, but they've now become a firm favourite on bakery and dim sum restaurant menus. Don't worry if you're not proficient at making pastry, because we'll be using ready-made pastry and the results are just as good. So, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's go. So here is the pastry that we'll be using. We're going to need short crust pastry for this recipe. Sprinkle some plain flour onto a flat surface and lay the pastry on top. Make sure that the pastry is straight out of the fridge, as it's a lot easier to work with when it's cold. Here are the molds for the tarts that we'll be using. These are silicone cupcake molds. I like using these because they make it easy to remove the tarts when they're cooked because they're flexible. You also don't need to butter them like you would metal molds. If you want to get them, I'll leave my affiliate links in the description. Otherwise, you can also use metal cupcake molds. To cut the pastry, I'm using this large mug. If you have a circular pastry cutter, then that's fine too, as long as the diameter is larger than the cupcake molds. Place the pastry into the mold and press it in firmly. You want the pastry to be sticking out just over the top of the mold. This is because the pastry will shrink during cooking. Trim off any excess pastry with a pair of scissors to make it neat. Prick the bottom of the pastry with a fork. This will stop any bubbles forming. Repeat the process until you have used up all the pastry. You'll get about 12 tarts from one roll of pastry. To make the custard for the filling, begin by dissolving 60 grams of sugar in 100 milliliters of warm water and allow it to cool. In a separate bowl, mix together 3 whole eggs with 80 grams of evaporated milk and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. When the sugar mixture has cooled, mix that in with the egg mixture. Place the custard mixture into a jug through a strainer. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Pour the custard mixture into the cases until they're about 70% full. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the custard has just set. When they're done, allow them to cool down before removing them from their cases. If you're using the silicone molds, removing them from their cases should be relatively easy. So this recipe uses eggs to make the egg custard, and it's a well-known fact that the Japanese are the world's highest consumer of eggs, with each individual consuming 320 eggs per year. But would you know how many eggs a French person eats in one day? The answer is 1, because one egg is un œuf. Thanks very much folks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and see you next time.